Alright, you already know what time it is. It's the notification gang. These are the first 3 subscribers or viewers to comment on my last video. Thank you so much for all your support. I really do appreciate it. You do not know how much it means to me. So thank you all for taking your time out to watch my video and comment. If you want to be featured in my featured giveaway section, make sure you be the first 3 people to comment on my video and you will get a shout out. So again, I thank you, and let's get on with the video. See ya, bye. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna try my best with this voiceover. I hope you guys like this nail design because I did not. Okay, so we're already starting off with one nail already done, so we're already fucked up there. Okay, I did not know I was not recording, but yeah, we're gonna keep on going. I got the Mocart Lights Pink Polygel. I got this in my last month's Your Nail Lab box. If you haven't seen that video, I will have it up in the card, so y'all make sure y'all look for that. And am I the only one who has a problem with squeezing polygel out of the tube? That's what I'm doing right now, trying to squeeze this polygel out of the tube and putting it on the nail tip. So I finally got it on the nail tip, and I'm just gonna pat it out with my gel brush and with my 91% alcohol, which I have sitting right next to me, and I'm gonna pat it down from the tip to the cuticle. I was trying to do the 2 bead method, but these nails are entirely way too short to be trying something that I never tried before. So I attempted to do a 2 bead, but I put too much of the polygel on my nails, so most of them winded up being 1 bead. But as y'all can see, I am patting it out, trying to place everything where I want it to be placed, and then I'm going to cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds. I also want to say thank you for almost getting me to 90 subscribers. Y'all, oh my God, I cannot believe it. I could cry right now. I really do love you guys. I really do. You do not know how much this means to me. It's everything. I did not think that I would make it this far, this soon in my channel, but I really do thank you guys. I cannot thank you enough. I really do appreciate all the love and support, and I'm trying to push out these videos as best I can. I do have another video coming out soon telling y'all everything that is going on with me and why I haven't been so consistent as I want to be. So y'all just look out for that because it is coming soon. My nail sisters know. So yeah. Alright, so we are taking the white polygel from Mocart. I just like Mocart, y'all, so we're just going to keep using Mocart, but this is their white one. And am I the only one that has an issue with the white polygel from Mocart, or just white polygel in general? I see that when I use it, it seems like the color bleeds out into the alcohol. When I try to clean the brush out, it changes my alcohol colors. So y'all, just a word of advice when y'all are using that, just make sure you change your alcohol out, because this white polygel will change the color of your alcohol once you try to clean your brush off. So just make sure y'all change your alcohol out. But yeah, as usual, having problems with getting the polygel out. I did hear from someone that you can put it in warm water for about 5 to 10 minutes and it'll make it easier to work with the polygel. I'm going to try that. Thank you so much for that tip. I can't remember who you are, but you know who you are, so thank you. So I did have a little bit more issue with this white one because it did seem like it was hard to move around as I wanted it to be. So it did come out a little bit messed up around the cuticle area. But y'all, I'm still learning and I'm trying to get better every day that I do my nails. And I try to take my time, but y'all, I have a hectic life. But I'm just going to keep on patting this white polygel until it is how I like it. And then I'm going to cure in my lamp for 60 seconds. I also wanted to make sure I asked you guys how your day is going. I hope wherever you are at in the world, everything is good. I hope your weather is good. I hope your health is good. I hope everything is just good. Your job, your friendships, your relationships. I hope everything is growing and inspiring to be everything that you want it to be and more. And I also wanted to say happy Valentine's Day to all my new subscribers and old subscribers. Happy Valentine's Day. Y'all are my Valentines, and this is my Valentine's Day nail set that I did attempt to do. I hope y'all like it and enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, so for my index finger, I decided again to use the light pink from Macart, and I'm just going to put this all over the nail, and I'm going to pat it in place with my 91% alcohol and my gel brush as usual. I tried to make this a very cohesive set. I tried my hardest, y'all, but yeah, I don't know how much more to say, but yeah, just enjoy the video and watch along. So what are you guys doing this Valentine's Day? Are you spending it with your Valentine? Are you celebrating with yourself and taking yourself out? Self-love, self-care, everything like that. Let me know down below what you plan on doing for Valentine's Day. For me, I'll be at home with my babies and just loving on them and watching TV, probably do a movie night. I don't know, but I have a pretty basic Valentine's Day. Because Valentine's to me should be every day and not just one day. Okay, now for my thumbnail, I did make a mistake because I was not supposed to do this first. I was supposed to put some base gel on, and I was supposed to put that red glitter. It was supposed to look just like my pinky nail, but for some reason I forgot. So I just put the polygel on first, and then I put the glitter on, and then I encapsulated it. It was a whole mess, y'all. It was not supposed to go like this, but it's whatever, okay? I still tried to attempt to make it look like the pinky, even though it was a complete fail. But yeah, you wouldn't have known that if I didn't say anything. But I just wanted to make sure everything was what's the word? I wanted to make sure you guys knew everything that was going on, and that you knew people make mistakes, everything happens. You just go back and fix it the best you can and hope nobody notices. Slap some glitter on there and you'll be okay. But yeah, this was not supposed to go like this. That's why I said it was a fail to me, but I don't care. I'm still gonna show you guys, and I hope that you like it anyway. And I am going to let you guys know ahead of time that some of it did not get recorded. I don't know. I was having technical difficulties with my memory card. I'm sorry if y'all can hear my son, y'all. He is really, really loud, even though he's in another room. But yeah, I did have some technical difficulties, so some of the stuff you will see that is already done. As y'all can see, the thumb looks horrible, but that is okay. My ombre on my pinky is not ombre, it's just there. But yeah, we're just gonna keep on going with the design. For the pinky and the thumb, I just added some charms that I got from Shein. That video will be up in the description. I did not like how my thumb came out, as y'all know, so I did decide to cover it all up with some red glitter polish. Like I said, if you don't like it, cover it up with some glitter, and that's exactly what I did. I covered the entire nail with some red polygel, and this of course is from Macart, which I got in their baby girl nail and your nail lab collab. So very beautiful color. I decided to put that on my thumb and my pinky, and then I put some rhinestone charms on my pinky and my thumb so they can be cohesive. For my thumb, my middle, and my index and my ring finger, I decided to do the same thing. So I did do a sugar-ish nail, but for one, I used a white top coat when I shouldn't have, so the pink glitter looks a little different on my thumb, my index, and my ring finger. And then I added some love stickers to it. You can't really see it, and I did mess up on the pink gel polish. So y'all, like I said, all y'all hear is mess. It was a mess. I forgot to file, I forgot to buff before I put the gel polish on, which is probably why it looks a damn mess. But yeah, look at my dang middle finger. I had the gel polish all in my cuticles. It was a hot ass mess, but you know what? It's okay. I shall prevail in my next video, so y'all look forward to that. I did use this gel polish from the Mifa collection. If y'all haven't seen that video out yet, I mean, it is already out, so y'all check that out. That is the Mifa 20+3. This is the first color in the collection, which is this nice pretty Barbie pink. But y'all, I'm not gonna talk no more because every time I'm talking, I can just see all the mistakes I'm making, and I'm just letting y'all know everything. I'm giving y'all the tea, honey. Okay, so y'all just watch, enjoy, and I will see y'all in my next video. I love y'all. Wait for the finished results that I will be showing you guys towards the end. Okay, so I did apply cuticle oil all over my hands. I don't know why, but I did. I just felt really, really ashy. So this is the final result of my nails. I hope you do enjoy, or you did enjoy this video. My favorite one will probably have to be the middle finger, and my thumb is always, I don't know why my thumb is always my favorite one. But yeah, these are what the nails came out looking like. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.